Hey guys, welcome back to AlgoYogi. We're doing array and hashing series, and our next problem in the list is maximum consecutive ones. So let's go to LeetCode without wasting any time. Here, given a binary array num, so it's going to contain only zeros and ones, return the maximum number of consecutive ones in the array. So here the answer is 3 for the first example, and that's because there are these three ones together. So I guess like this problem is really easy. What you can do is, I think there's no brute force or optimized versions in this. I guess like it's going to be just simply you start iterating and then you have like your answer called max ones. Initially just say 0 and then you are going to iterate your array. So for, you can say num in your nums, and at the same time what you can do is you can maintain another variable called cur ones, which is also going to be 0. So if you see this number is equals to 1, then you can basically keep incrementing cur ones by 1. You can keep incrementing it, right? If you keep seeing ones, and at the same time you can basically update your max ones equals to maximum of itself, max ones, or cur ones, because this is the one you are currently incrementing. Okay, this always happen that I kind of hide the code just behind my picture. Okay, so here otherwise what you'll do is otherwise you can just reset your current one at least, else keep resetting cur ones equals to 0, and in the end you can just return max max ones. Awesome, that's our entire code. This is what we will be typing in, and really simple, really easy. So I'm gonna say we can say the time complexity here is big of n, and space complexity is actually constant. So let's type it out. Let's type it out, guys. Really easy peasy problem. Really easy peasy problem. I'm gonna just, okay, let's type it out. So max ones 0, and then cur ones 0 for num in nums, not it's nums. Sir, are you listening to me, sir? Okay, if this is equal to 1, then you found your at least 1. So just increment your cur 1 plus by 1, and your max ones would be maximum of max ones or cur ones. That's it. Otherwise you're gonna reset your cur ones. If you're seeing a 0, that means you're gonna reset this to again 0. You have not seen anyone so far. Okay, and finally you can just return max ones. Hopefully there are no issues here. I'm gonna zoom out, run it on the example cases, and finally we will be submitting. It's an easy peasy problem. 100%, no, 30%, 33% पास हो जाते हैं. 33% पे तो हम पास हो गए सर. टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी तो क्या ही और इम्प्रूव करोगे, इसकी हो गई है n हो गई टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी. स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी हो गई है इसकी, स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी हो गई है इसकी बिग ऑफ 1. So awesome, blossoms. Let's mark it solved. See you guys later in the next problem.